Hi, Stuart here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to submit claims and invoices directly to builders and main contractors using Styck. So I'm here after logging in and I'm going to click on My Claims from the menu. On the screen here, we have a button called Start a New Claim. When I click on that, it'll take me through to the claim, where we'll have our claim information, including a breakdown that we can use to enter our amounts and submit directly off to the builder or main contractor. These breakdowns are set up for us, so we don't need to create them. It'll already be there ready for us to start using our claims. At the top of the claim, we have a breakdown where draft is currently selected. This is referring to the status of the claim. If we change that to submitted, when we save this claim, it'll automatically submit that off to the builder or main contractor ready for assessment. I can also save a claim as a draft. That just means we can come back, edit it, and submit it later. Down here on the left-hand side, we have our claim details. So we'll have what claim number it is, and then we have this reference number field where we could either enter a number that's been provided to us, or perhaps we're entering like our tax invoice number there. Below that, we have our claim date, which would be the date of the claim, and we also have claim period dates that we can also use if required. On the right-hand side, we have our claim summary that will show us our totals, including what's been claimed to date and what's been previously claimed. Retentions will automatically calculate if relevant and display here. Below that, we've got our contracts work breakdown, and this is where I can see my line items and values. There's a percentage column where I can enter a percentage completed to date. There's also a claim column showing the dollar values claimed to date, a previous column showing the amounts previously claimed, a current where I can see the amount being claimed for this particular current claim, and a balance showing us the amounts remaining. And the way it works is you can use any of these purple fields here to type in a value, whether it's the percentage, the claim value, or the current value. You can use all these columns here. You can use the balance one as well. And it's just going to figure out and calculate the value of our claim. You can also see up here that it is automatically calculating the retention and the claim value. If there are any variations, they would display here. Below that, there's also a claim notes section. So any notes we enter there will also be visible to whoever we send this claim to. Below that, we also have attachments, and likewise, whatever we attach there will go over with our claim as well. Once ready, I can click Create Claim, which will now submit the claim, and it will just return me back to this screen here where I can see that that claim has now been submitted. So from there, the claim will be assessed, and once assessed, you'll receive an email that looks something like this, showing you exactly what's been approved. Now, if we were to refresh the screen and go back to My Claims again, we can now see that that claim has been approved, and we can go back and view it again if we wanted to, or view it as a PDF. We can also start another claim, and what will happen there is you'll see now that there's values in the previous section up here and in that previous column. We'll also see that it now says claim 2, and we're essentially just doing the same thing again. You can also see that there's now a variation, which we can also claim against if relevant. So that's how you're able to lodge claims and invoices using Styck. If you have any questions, please contact us, and thanks for watching.